Here is the Kia Sedona. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Kia emblem, put one finger there and then push it left. That's where the secondary release lever is. Push it left and lift up the hood. This is how the secondary release lever works. Now this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it. Now let it go and the hood is secure. Now once the hood is open, that's where the engine air filter is. We need to lift this flap open, pull it from over here and then from the other side as well, and this cover comes off. There are those two clips which hold it in place. Now that's the filter. Just grab it and slide it right out. The top side of the filter is the clean side, the bottom side is the dirty side. So the way it works is outside air comes from the bottom, all the dirt gets trapped there, and then clean air from the top goes into the engine. Check the link in description to buy the new filter from Amazon for yourself. Before you put the new filter, if you want, you can vacuum clean that air box. You don't have to, but it's just nice to do it. The new filter should be the exact size as the old one that you took out. Get the new filter in position and then slide it down all the way. Put this flap back on and then press it down to secure it, and that is pretty much it. To close the hood, first push on it and get load off the prop rod. Get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place and secure it. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.